Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable eARC on your LG Smart TV. So first of all, detect the eARC HDMI port. It's usually the HDMI 2 if not all of them. So if your LG TV does not support eARC on every port, then the HDMI port that supports eARC feature should be labeled with either ARC or eARC. And in order to enable this feature, first connect your soundbar or AV device to the respective HDMI port or just to an HDMI port. And once you do that, you're gonna have to power on both devices and switch the TV input if needed. After that, we're gonna have to make sure that the HDMI CEC is enabled in settings, which you can do by selecting the gear icon on your sidebar or by pressing the gear button on your remote control. Then select the gear icon in the quick settings menu, and after that go to general menu. In general, select external devices, then select HDMI settings, and in HDMI settings switch on HDMI CEC feature by switching this toggle to the right. After that, we're gonna have to enable eARC in settings if it didn't happen automatically. So go back to all settings, select sound, then in sound we're gonna have to navigate to sound out, and then select use wired speaker, and then select HDMI ARC device. And right now you are your sound is being transmitted through that speaker that supports ARC. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.